What's up, everybody? So I'm here. I'm on my, well, what do we call this? This is a piece of my heart is what this is. This is just my little sanctuary, my little getaway. I'm at my sanctuary. This is the place that I come and relax and get away from the city life and the sounds and pretty much just get to sit back and relax and enjoy nature at its fullest. And when I say nature at its fullest, I mean we have hiking trails here. I think we have up to 15 hiking trails now. I've got four-wheelers. I'm gonna go out, ride some four-wheelers, just, get the breeze through my hair, sit back, relax, and have a great time. So I'm going to invite you guys to come in with me. Come on, join the fun. Make sure you like and subscribe to these videos. I've been working really hard to get better and improve my video quality, my timing, really everything. I'm shooting right now on a Canon EOS 60D, so my image can be sharp. Sometimes I forget to hit that autofocus button, so we'll practice and get better and better as time goes on. But I'm really enjoying the creative process of it, figuring out new things to make videos on, trying to make it fun and exciting, still sticking with the hike life theme, which we do know that hike life is everything. Traveling, it's visiting new places, it's seeing new things, it's doing things that you just haven't really ever done before, never thought about doing. So hike life is an adventure. Of course, it's backpacking and gear reviews and things like this. Well, actually, why don't we just go ahead and do a quick review of it just so you can see what it's like. What we're doing right now is we're reviewing this. This just came in the mail. This is the Vargo BOT, and there are two versions of it, and I accidentally got the wrong version, which I'm very, very, very disappointed about. There is actually a titanium one and a stainless steel one, and I got the stainless steel one. But the Vargo BOT is a cold soaker, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Let me see if I can get out a little bit here. There we go. Now this thing, when I first saw it, I was like, oh man, it's gonna be great. And it is great if I bought the titanium version of it. The Vargo BOT right there is a cold soaker. It actually can be used for several different things. It comes with this really cool lid, and if you can see, the stainless steel version has this shine right here. And I've heard about the titaniums, they didn't polish this and it ends up sticking. So I'm really happy about the shine. I'm not sure if the new ones actually have this nice shine, but this can be used as a plate, this can be used as a lid, but it's basically for cooking or cold soaking. I mean, if you're gonna cold soak, you could use plastic ice cream tubs. You can use a lot of different things, but this is actually for both. It's watertight, so it has a water seal. You can see on the top of this thing. Sorry about that sound, but it actually has a plastic or a rubber seal right around the top there, and that rubber seal keeps it tight. So if you wanted to put water in this as you're hiking, you could absolutely do that. Breaker 19. So anyway, it seals up right here. Now I was really, really excited about this until it came, and it's a stainless steel version. The only difference is about 4 or 5 ounces, and for a fraction of the price. I got this for $38 on Amazon, but the titanium one is $99. So I thought I was getting like a sweet deal, and I found some kind of hidden secret, but the Vargo BOT titanium is, I think, around 4.6 ounces, while this is running in around 8.6. Pretty cool.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
The Vargo BOT. So here's what it's used for. I think the reason why people actually buy this is so that they can take their food. Now, some people like ramen on the trails. Some people like quinoa or rice or any dehydrated food, mountain houses. There's a lot of different foods that you can put in here. But basically the concept is not carrying a stove, which I am a big fan of not carrying the stove, but I also do like to heat things up. Now, I don't carry a stove, but I use the fire. So this will work really, really well over an open fire, which is one thing that I really like about it. And it's basically just like a cup. I mean, it doesn't have the handles on it, but it is a cup. They make this in a 900 milliliter, or I think this is actually a liter, and then they make it in a 700 that does have the handles on it. And if I go back and do it all over again, return this stainless steel one for titanium one, I will get the 700 with the handles. I just feel like that has more use. You can pick it up on and off the fire with the handles instead of having to have a hot pad. But overall, this thing's pretty cool, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm switching from hot food to cold food on my next hiking trip. I wanted to try some cold soaking, as they call it, and make sure that I can. What am I rambling on about? It's the Vargo BOT. You cold soak your food. You use it for hot food. Use it for whatever you want. There's enough rambling. Let's get to some fun. Basically, what I'm going to do is pick you up and take you over here. This is what we're going to be doing today. Today, we're going to be riding on this bad boy. Oh, my big head's in the way. That's right. It's the Honda Pioneer. I think it's a 500 automatic or manual. So we're going to be riding on the Honda. Let's go ahead and get in some close shots of this thing. B-roll.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car.
All right, so now that you've seen the vehicle, let's go for a ride. Can't wait to drive this thing. Wait, where are my driving gloves? Hold everything, hold the phone. Can't go riding without driving gloves. I'll be right back. I mean, how am I supposed to do hillbilly things if I don't have camouflage gloves on? You know what I mean? All right, here I am on the quad, four-wheeler, whatever you do. Let's buckle up, start her up. Oh my God, this is so much fun. I'm going down a big steep hill right now, so you can see that. So it's gonna be a little bumpy, a little shaky, but let me tell you, it is a beautiful day today. The sun has been shining all day. It's about golden hour right now, so it's a perfect time to film. Oh, I'm actually gonna miss all the good stuff because I'm out here having fun, but hey, what can you do? You only get to live in this world one time. Ooh, that was so much fun. I could do that all day long.